Welcome to the video. So online, I've seen a lot of cool art like this.
Look at this, gorgeous, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous.
After seeing that, I have to make this now. So to start, I have had these round boards. They're about 17 3/4 of an inch wide. I have had these for years, just sitting there thinking, oh, I'll find a good opportunity to use these, as to why we always save wood or buy it and just have it there for no reason and keep it there for years. And then you wonder, like, when am I going to use it? And then it's just there. Well, this is a perfect opportunity for me to do that moss art. So I'm going to start off with just sanding these down with 120. Boards sanded. Now I'm going to add LED strips to this to really make it look good. Now I want to route out the spot for the strip first before I get to installing the moss. So these are the faces. Now this is my strip. I'm going to, if this is the face, I want to line the strip all along the back edge. Don't like cords visible, I'm just gonna route out notches to insert this into the board. It's only like 1/3 of the depth of this board, so that's great. So I can insert this, bunch up these boards to be at the bottom, so when you need to take them out, you can just pull them out, plug it into charge, and then shove them back in there.
The back bottom. I'm just gonna freehand it. I don't care.
To start off routing this out, I'm only going about half of the depth of that small control. I chose to freehand it because it's quicker, and this also makes good practice.
It's gonna be a good fit. Just gonna go a little more.
I set my router bit to the correct depth where the control will sit flush with the board.
Routing done, I even added like a little slit that goes off to the side here for the cord to go out and in on the other end. The big brain, big brain. I'm interrupting this video with the sponsor, me. This video is powered by me, sponsored by me. I am a small creator, and I'm trying to hit my goal of 100,000 subscribers this year. So if you could do me a favor, please subscribe to this channel if you like content like this and like this video to help this channel grow. Let's grow. Thanks. Back to the video. Now for the fun part. Yes. Okay, I have a ton of moss. Got this all from Hobby Lobby. Beautiful mosses. I just wanted to get a bunch of different colors. So I have like the neon greens, the darker greens. There's like preserved moss that you could buy, so it's actual moss. But I don't care about that. But they just happened to have it, so I bought it. This one was on sale. Supposedly, I still think it's kind of expensive. It was kind of expensive for all this moss. Hopefully I can return like a bag, but honestly, I don't think so. It was like $100 for all of this moss. Got a matte one. And this big long one so that I could add, you know, another like texture dimension to it. Okay, just gonna start with the matte. Figured I could use this as a foundation. It's gonna be hella messy. Aspects I want to keep this eye. So maybe I can just have it doing like this.
Approaching this part of the project, I really didn't have a plan. I was just gonna go with it, see whatever felt right. This moss mat turned out to be perfect. It was perfect to start as a foundation before adding more moss. I use a lot of curved lines because I really wanted it to look as natural as possible, as does nature with curved lines. This paper in the back, I tried to remove as much of it as possible, but sometimes it would just get really stuck. Oh, the amount of times that I burned myself using this was crazy. I have blisters on the tips of my fingers right now. So all the moss is done. Can you tell what zodiac sign I am? Now, for the exposed areas of wood grain on the surface, I'm gonna just add some teak oil real quick. Could I have done this before I started adding the moss? Probably. I mean, yeah, I could have, but I just wasn't sure if that would have messed with the adhesive in any way. So I'm just gonna oil up the exposed areas. Yeah.
Probably be better if I use like a spray sealer, like a spray shellac or something. Oh well, here I am.
And along the edge, to hide the mesh, I would add more moss or just add it as I had felt was necessary. And I burnt myself a lot still.
Moss art complete. Now I'm just gonna add the lights and hopefully it sticks well. And it's gonna start from the bottom. Oh man, I kind of have to put it on its back really quick. Trying to stick as close to the edge as I can. All right, I only have to cut off a little bit. I have these little like hooks, and these you can just hammer it in, it looks like. Okay, moss art is up and I don't like it. At least this one in particular, I think too much wood is exposed and it kind of looks like a face, and that's all I'm going to see when I look at it. So I'm going to add more moss to it. And another thing, I forgot to get an LED strip that's battery powered. So you see that cord there? And it's also all I could see as well. It defeats the purpose of the routed square I made in the back to insert the cords when not in use. So that's my bad. So I'm going to replace the LED strip with the new one that is battery powered and add more moss. You know, that happens when you're working on a project. You see it, it looks good today, and then tomorrow you're like, no. So it's okay. Just roll with it. I removed the old LED strip, got the new one, thank goodness. And look at how lucky I am. I am so lucky that this fits, and it fits way better than the old one. Look at that. Look at that, it fits. Oh, let's go. This one doesn't have an adhesive back to it, so I'm just gonna add double-sided tape. Got the new one on, and that's how I have it just taped here, and it's on there.
Thank you for watching the video. And here she is. She is installed here looking like the planet Earth, especially with the blue paint. Gorgeous. I love it so much better having color lights. Only thing though, these LEDs are really cheap. I have to be really, oh. They also just do whatever they want. Earlier I had to be like hella close for it to work. Ooh, I like the red. I like all the colors. It's gonna be lit in here. And just in case you were wondering what I did with the old LEDs, couldn't really return them at that point. Check it out. This place is gonna be lit. Fucking lit. We're lit over here by the TV entertainment area. We are lit here. We are lit over here. We are lit over here with Godzilla. Here's the other one. Most lit. Excellent. I don't know what I'm doing now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.